What's up, everyone? I hope everyone's staying safe. As part of that process, I've been working on a song and I've been trying to find the perfect 808. Had some problems with it. Let me play you the song first and then go over the solution that you have here in front of you. The initial audio 808 Studio 2 that just came out. So I'm going to start with what I had and then move on to some of the presets from the 808 Studio. Not that much talking from me, it's just going to be more about going through the presets to kind of get a sense of what the plugin can do. But let's start off by listening to my original idea. So I started with that, then added a bunch of plugins to kind of make it pop a bit more. But I wasn't feeling it, so I decided to try this plugin out. And be aware that there is a robotic voice telling you that it is the demo version of the plugin, so keep that in mind while I go through all of these presets. So as I said, not that much talking from me. It's just going to be an issue of going through these to get a sense of what it sounds like and then see if anything sounds good on the beat that I was working on. So, Airy. I love that. So out of the box, it sounds better than what I initially had with just a few samples and effects added over it. So with something like this, as I said, straight out of the box, it sounds fantastic, and literally it's just presets. You have all of these modules here to shape the sound into the perfect 808 for your song. And you saw me tweak the overdrive a bit and try a few other settings just to kind of get it to the sound I was looking for but didn't get out of the sample. So I definitely recommend you give this a try. Obviously this is the demo version, but the full version I think is on sale now, introductory sale. So I think it's worth it if you're into trap or just super low stuff. And ultimately this is a synthesizer, but it's made so that it works really well on the low end. So if you're into bass at all, give this a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon. Thanks a lot for watching the video until the end. I really do hope you got something out of it. And if you did enjoy it, if you did get any value out of it, please let me know in the comments below. And consider subscribing to the channel, share the video, like it, all that jazz. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks.